What does the perfect bathroom layout look like? How should you arrange everything in your bathroom? And what are the key rules for the best bathroom design? Bathrooms can be one of the most complicated spaces to design. They're usually pretty small, but still need to be really functional. In today's video, we'll walk through 6 common mistakes and how to fix them in a 5x8 bathroom. In case you didn't already know, we do have a 7-day pro membership trial where you'll have unlimited access to so many incredible features. I highly recommend checking it out, and the link is in the description. All right, let's dive in. So here are the 6 different layouts, with the incorrect being on the top and the correct being on the bottom. So let's start with mistake number 1. The toilet is facing the door. Nobody wants to walk into a bathroom and be greeted with a toilet right away, especially if someone forgot to lock the door. So if your bathroom door opens directly to the toilet, it can create some pretty uncomfortable situations. So to fix this, try positioning the door to face a less private area like a vanity or a sink. And if the space is tight, consider using a sliding or a pocket door just to really save room and improve privacy. And mistake number 2 is a cluttered or awkward entryway. A cramped, cluttered entry can really make a space feel smaller and even be a tripping hazard, so really try to avoid that zigzag pattern. This should probably go without saying, but don't put your toilet a few inches away from a doorway. Instead, keep the entryway open and unobstructed. Position fixtures and storage along the sides rather than in front of the door. This keeps the space feeling open, accessible, and much more inviting. Mistake number 3 is putting the shower in the middle of a room. In a small bathroom, this is a major space waster, so not only does it make your layout feel awkward, but it also limits room for other essential fixtures. So as a fix, place the shower in a corner to maximize floor space and improve functionality. A corner placement also makes plumbing a lot easier and frees up room for storage, vanity, or any other necessities. All right, mistake number 4 is spreading everything out on separate walls. If your toilet, sink, and shower are all placed on different walls, you're making your plumber's job a lot harder and also making your budget a lot bigger. This layout requires more pipes, more labor, and more money. So to fix that, try to align fixtures along shared walls whenever possible. This makes plumbing more efficient, reduces costs, and keeps everything streamlined. And mistake number 5, there's no towel rack near the shower. There is nothing more annoying than getting out of the shower and not realizing that the towel rack is all the way over there and you have to do this weird, awkward freezing dance to get to your towel. So to avoid this, leave enough space near the shower to add a towel rack or hooks within arm's reach. This really small adjustment makes your bathroom feel way more functional. And finally, mistake number 6, putting your sink at the far end of the bathroom. So your sink is the fixture that you use the most often, so don't put it all the way in the back. If your layout forces you to walk past the shower and the toilet just to wash your hands, it may not be the most ideal. So to fix this, position the sink closer to the entrance for tasks like hand washing or brushing your teeth. This will also keep the shower or tub further inside to contain moisture and keep the rest of the bathroom dry. To sum everything up, here are the key things you should take away from this video. Avoid making the toilet the first thing you see. Position the door to face a less private area like a sink or vanity. Keep the entryway clear. Avoid clutter or zigzag paths to maintain an open, accessible feel. Place the shower in a corner. This maximizes floor space and improves functionality. Group fixtures along shared walls. This simplifies plumbing and reduces cost. Leave space for a towel rack near the shower. This keeps essentials within easy reach. And finally, position the sink near the entrance. The sink is used most often, so make it easily accessible. And there you have it, 6 common bathroom layout mistakes and how to fix them. If you have a floor plan you'd like to share with us, send it to our Instagram DMs with a note from YouTube, and maybe we'll feature it in a future video. Let us know in the comments what type of floor plans you would like us to go over next, and don't forget about that 7-day trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.